Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can order any item on Big Basket using card on delivery option. Card on delivery is an option wherein after reaching all these items to your home, you can pay using your credit card, debit card, whatever the card available with you. That means the delivery executive will come to your home, then while receiving all these items whichever you order on Big Basket, you can give the card to him so that they will facilitate a card option to you. For example, I'd show it what exactly happens here. And Big Basket, you can buy all the fresh vegetables, fruits, fresh meat, domestic supplies, groceries, what not, everything you can buy here. For example, I'm just adding some of the items here. So I would like to have organic dry fruits here, cashew I'm adding, and organic almonds here, and organic cashew I don't want this, so I have already added some of the items. And along with this I would like to add fruits here, seasonal fruit, seasonings, everything, nimbu I want and ginger I want. So I have added several items here, and along with this I have added some vegetables and fruits too. And now you have to get into cart here. At the end down below right side you will be given the basket here. Just click on the basket, and after that whatever the items you have selected, all these will be shown here. Then you will be asked about checkout. Just click on the checkout option. After clicking on the checkout, it will show your address and whatever the delivery time is available, it will show it to you. And today's 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. item is available. So just proceed to pay next. And now we have to concentrate on the payment mode. The next step will be very clearly payment mode. There will be several payment modes: credit card, debit cards, wallets, pay later, food card, Sodexo kind of card, net banking, cash on delivery, and card on delivery. Our main motto is to order through card on delivery. Just click on this. After clicking, just place order, so that after reaching all these items to your home, you can give your credit card or debit card to delivery executive, so that payment will be made. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.